How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. We have a 15 amp wood shredder chipper here. We're going to be getting this thing put together. We're going to unbox it, get it put together, and show you guys how it works. This is a sponsored video, so I did not pay for this product. This was donated to the Homestead, and we're just going to do a review on it to show you how it works and if it's worth even purchasing. So let's get started. We're going to lay it out on the table and get you guys right back here. So here on the table is everything that's going to come with your wood chipper. And the first thing I want to show you is the owner's manual. I would suggest reading this, understanding it before you get started, because I only give you the basics. You're going to get a bag. This is going to be for your clippings. You're going to get your wood chipper itself right here. You're going to get a couple of legs here, and an axle, 2 wheels, a handle, and I'm yet to figure out what these guys are, but they came in this brown bag by themselves with a tool, but I'm sure we'll be getting into that. So we'll go ahead and get started putting this thing together. Well, I got it figured out. These are your hubcaps. Cover up your bolt that you're going to put in, and they also give you the wrench. This Allen wrench is going to be used to break your axle bolts off. So you're going to have to turn these axle bolts out. Once you get your axle bolt off, go ahead and slide your framework here on, like so. And then slide this guy right on here, like so. Now slide your wheel on, like so. And then put your Allen bolt back in here and snug that up. Do the other side. We're going to do this a little slower so you guys can see. Break your Allen bolt loose. Set it down. Pull this piece off. Slide on your framework, your stand, and go ahead and put this piece back on. You'll see this is cut in a U shape. You want that to go up against your pipe. Slide your wheel on, and go ahead and put your Allen key or Allen bolt back in there. Set it down on the table and snug that bolt up. Go ahead and tighten your other side. Tighten it up also. Now you can take your hubcap and you can snap your hubcap right on your wheel here. Like so. Do the same thing with your other side. Now we have the stand ready for the chipper. So now on the, turn your chipper over, you'll see 2 holes here. Go ahead and remove these Phillips screws in here. There's 2 Phillips screws you're going to want to remove. One on this side. And if you turn your machine around, you'll see one on this side over here. Go ahead and pull it out also. Now what I'm going to do, being that I really don't have any help here, is I'm just going to slide these in from the bottom upside down, like so. We're going to slide our legs right down in there, and I'll set my machine up. Get it on a nice flat surface so our bolt holes line back up inside there. Go ahead and put your screws back in your legs. Alright, now that we got our couple screws put in the legs there, the only thing we got left is our bag. And this is our bag to hold our clippings. And it fits right on the bottom of this guy, like so. And then you'll be able to chip up what little bit of leaves or branches may have fell down in your backyard. Now, by no means is this a commercial piece. This is for a homeowner that's got a small yard and wants to chip a little bit of stuff. Now me, I have a raised bed and I like to make my own garden soil, and I don't need a lot of it, but this little machine right here I think will do fine for us. So your branches, when you're feeding this thing, everything's going to be fed down through this hole, and you can use this guy to push it down. Now, I want to open this thing up and show you guys something inside of this. We'll go ahead and unscrew this knob here on the back. We're going to unscrew that knob. Now down in here is where your blades are. I'm going to get you up close and I'm going to show you these blades. Alright, never have this thing open when it's plugged in. Make sure the machine is unplugged. You can see your blade right here. Now these are reversible blades, so when they get dull on one side, you got an Allen wrench, you can break this loose, flip them over, and you got sharp blades again. Just take a picture of them before you get started so you know exactly what way they go in. That sharp edge is going to be up. So be real careful with them, but you can reverse these blades. So your little pusher that pushes your wood down in, got a nice little slot right on the handle. Set it right in there. You got it when you need it. Now your Allen wrench, to keep it from getting lost, go ahead and slide it right down in this little hole and snap it into place. So if you're worried about putting this thing together, there's not a whole lot to it. I think anybody could do it. Just take your time and make sure that machine is unplugged when you do it. Alright, now when you plug your machine in, make sure you're using a heavy gauge cord to plug this in. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. I did bring some limbs in the garage here. We're going to run them through this shredder just to see how it works. Bit cold outside. It's during the winter. Spring's coming, and we're going to need some of this fine stuff to be putting in our mulch pile. So we're just going to give it a try. Let's see just how loud this thing is. Pretty loud. So we're going to get us a set of ear. We're going to get us some ear protection. I would suggest if you guys are running this thing, use you some ear protection and some gloves and eye protection. I'll be honest with you, I think this thing shreds pretty good. I wasn't expecting that, honestly. We're going to go get a few more branches, and we're going to run a couple more through there. I really do have to admit, I didn't think that this thing would work as well as it does. But I went out and got some more branches because I'm going to try it. I got a little bit bigger ones. I want to see if they'll go through it. I'm still staying about that 1 inch mark, but not too much over that 1 inch. So I'm going to put my ear protection on, and we're going to run some more through there. I wouldn't suggest doing this inside. You can run a cord outside. I'm doing it in here because it's very cold outside, and I wanted to do the video just to show you guys how it works. can tell you, you want to try to keep your limbs as straight as you can, because when it has branches sticking out like that, they kind of want to get stuck in there, but that's what they're supposed to do. So maybe trim them up, make sure they're as straight as you can, and I think it'll work a little bit better. But I got to show you the mulch that we're getting out of here. And don't forget, we're able to flip them blades over. When these get dull, we're going to be able to flip them blades over and reuse them blades, and even possibly sharpen them old blades that's on here. So this is a brand new machine, but I'm going to go ahead and get this wood up, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. Okay, look at this. This is beautiful. This is exactly what you want if you're making your own dirt and mulch. Look at that. That is beautiful. For me, I really like that. That's a good chipped up mulch. So yeah, this is actually a pretty good little machine, and I think for making dirt, we can put this right in our mulch pile now and make our own dirt, and also clean up a lot of them limbs and stuff that fall down during the winter. And you guys know we probably got a lot of them here on the homestead because we're out here in the woods. This thing's going to come in pretty handy. We're going to leave a link in the description for the chipper shredder. If you guys are interested, check it out. I think it's going to be a great little product for us. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.